Greenbuild in Mexico is very special with our friends and family. And importantly, why people are excited about it is that they see that as their platform, and that is what we want Greenbuild to be. One thing they have in common, they carry a big smile, they have a big heart, and most importantly, they lead with their heart.
Esto va a ser como una bola de nieve que va a ir creciendo y creciendo y creciendo. Con Greenbuild México vamos a lograr capacitar a México, a la gente, comprometerlos, inspirarlos para hacer mejor las cosas e inspirar a todo el continente, entonces para que empujemos más rápido y podamos alcanzar los objetivos que tenemos planteados.
Quiero agradecer a Usgbc, que es un equipo que se ha hecho una mezcla sensacional de trabajo entre Estados Unidos, México, los consejos en Centroamérica, en Sudamérica, que han venido con ideas y apoyando.
This is a way to ensure that we can continue with our current standard of living and that we will be able to pass that on to our children, grandchildren, to future generations.
Mexico houses some of the most beautiful architecture in human history. We want to build upon that history and preserve that history and combine it with our humanitarian obligations to make our lives as long and as prosperous as possible.
I am so excited. You have no idea that it's finally here in Mexico with the same exact impeccability that it's done in the US.
Greenbuild is the largest global platform for market transformation.
Para nosotros como países en desarrollo me parece que es muy importante, muy estratégico el venir a Greenbuild. La construcción sostenible cada vez se está posicionando más en nuestros países, ya que ya no es un tema ya de moda, sino es un tema de supervivencia y de tendencias.
It's been incredible. I'm speechless. The type of people, the conferences, the joy, the parties.
Ha sido una experiencia maravillosa integrar a México en la sustentabilidad, que justo ha tenido un boom. Multinacionales se están sumando y uniendo esfuerzos para generar un mejor país y un mejor mundo.
La influencia que tienen algunas personas por su liderazgo ha sido un gran ejemplo para mí para promover con ellos juntos pues todos los beneficios de la edificación sustentable.
It has the momentum to start creating a dialogue based more on actions to grow the green building movement.
What GBCI and the Usgbc have done in the US, obviously the fact that we now have GBCI Mexico is going to be a great asset for us.
We need to examine our mindset. How can we be solving the right problems if you're not even sure you're asking the right questions?
It's among us to change how we respond to the built environment. The way we respond to it is with common sense.
The movement is beyond frontiers, and we connect and thrive on each other's thought leadership to uphold our climate commitments.
People in Peru now realize that LEED and GBCI are not only an American movement, but an international movement. We need to continue working on education, and we need to change, we need to revolutionize and destroy paradigms.
It's not just a matter of women, so we can really work together, but we need to include men. We really need to go back to our companies, to our offices, and start thinking differently.
We're honoring 3 leaders whose work is not only clearly providing healthier, more sustainable spaces, but it's also raising the bar and helping drive the green building movement.
It's the work of many individuals and organizations that should be celebrated here. Well, it's just a great honor, a recognition that I appreciate very much.
Not only is rewarding, but it also motivates us to continue doing what we're doing and what we believe in.
Buildings are like human beings, and they change and evolve, get mature, and I guess the change that green building is going to help all the industry players and the professionals of the industry will gather all together to have the same goal.
We don't need to build walls. We need to build relationships. We want to help you build something that will stand the test of time.